Hey guys, good morning. So, I don't know how to start this out. About 8:30 in the morning, and I already ate breakfast. I had like an egg white omelet, and I probably should have filmed that, but I wasn't thinking honestly until like just now, oh, let's make a video. So, I'm actually gonna be taking my dog out for a walk because it is still early and I just we need fresh air. What? What are you doing? Oh my God. Oh my freaking gosh, there's a mosquito in my home. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I can't do that. No. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Yeah! It's so big. Oh my God. Too early for that. What you doing on the floor? You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go? Let's go. Let's go. I gotta get dressed first. I gotta get dressed first. Let's go get ready. Let's go get ready. On our walk, and Munchie is freaking difficult. This dog takes like 5 poops. I don't know if this is just with old dogs, but she just shits a lot. She's so old that she doesn't really listen anymore, so when we go on walks I have to yell really loud and I sound like a terrible dog mama, but she don't listen. I'm just walking around my neighborhood. Come on, because they have like so many neighborhoods within where we live at, and they have walking trails, but I just usually like to walk around the houses and people's houses. But yeah, we're just gonna continue our walk and
I am sat here thinking of you once again.